Hi, I'm Louie and I'm running for the part-time LGBT officer at the Student Union.
Okay, and why do you think you'd be an excellent LGBT plus officer?
Because as a transgender male, I am diverse in myself, so I understand how to help other people and their situations. I was also the trans officer the last year, so I understand how the SU works and all of that, and I just want to continue my work with helping people.
What ideas have you got to get more students involved with the SU?
It's just generally publicising and making sure that people know we're here, making sure that we seem approachable, so posters, Facebook, just being nice in general.
Okay, and what would you like to change about the university?
I'd like to make it more diverse so people understand and educate people. So like give talks to lecturers so they can be more understanding about people's issues in the LGBT.